Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learning is Fun with me. So new session is there 2019-20. So with that, new kids are there in our school. They have just joined preschool. They're so small, cute and sweet. So today we have celebrated red color day with them, and in which we have done lots of activities related to red color so that they can recognize red color and objects related to red color. My last year students are there in now in first standard. They are promoted to first standard. I'm missing them a lot. Now in this video, you are going to meet my new students, my new class. Let's meet them. Very good. Red color sketch pen. Yay! Very good. Thank you for watching this video. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.